Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn shapes and equal shares together step by step. When we cut a shape into equal shares, every piece is the same size. That is fair sharing. The parts must be equal, not big and small. 2 equal parts are called halves. 3 equal parts are thirds. 4 equal parts are fourths. The more pieces you make, the smaller each share becomes. You can split a square across or down the middle. Either way, you get 2 equal halves. Equal shares can look different but still be the same size. Here is a bar split into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4. Put all 4 fourths back together and you have the whole bar again. So equal shares are pieces of the same size. 2 parts are halves, 3 are thirds, and 4 are fourths. Put all the equal parts together and they make one whole. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.